Welcome back to Oran Estate. Today, I'm going to create a nook from this hive. The reason being, I noticed that this hive wants to swarm. Swarm is the way that bees reproduce, and this is observed when you do an inspection of the hives. You notice that down in the brood box that the bees are creating queen cells, as shown in the picture above. This is a problem because half the population of the hive lives with the new queen that hatch, and this can affect production of honey. So instead of losing half my bee population, I take out the current queen along with a frame of larva, along with a frame of food, and put it into a separate box. As you can see, there are 3 frames that were removed from the. This would allow the original hive to create a new queen and hence stop the bees from swarming. And this is what we start a new colony, or what we call a nook. And here you can also see I'm adding a fresh frame so the bees can start drawing out this frame for the queen to lay. And this is how we create a new colony of bees. This is basically the reproduction cycle of bees and how beekeepers expand their operation. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, subscribe and share to your friends and family.